In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the devices that are currently logged in to your Twitter, now X, account. This is a really important security step because it helps you see exactly where your account is active, and it can help you spot any suspicious logins before they become a problem. If you use X on more than one phone, tablet, or computer, this is also a great way to keep track of your sessions and make sure everything looks familiar. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open the X app or go to the X website and make sure you're signed in to the account you want to check. Once you're on the main screen, look for the More option. On desktop, it's usually on the left-hand side menu, and on mobile, it may appear in the side menu after tapping your profile or the menu icon. Click or tap More to open the Extra Settings menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps the account controls, privacy options, and security settings. Now you'll need to find the Security section. Depending on the version of X you're using, you may see Security and Account Access directly, or you may need to tap Account first and then Security. Don't worry if the labels look slightly different because X changes the layout from time to time. The goal is to get into the section that manages account security and login activity. Once you're in Security and Account Access, look for Apps and Sessions. Tap or click that option to open the page that controls logged-in sessions, connected apps, and account access details. This is the area you want if you're checking where your account is signed in. Next, tap Sessions. This will show you your active logins and the devices currently connected to your account. You may see information like the device type, location, browser, or the approximate time the session was started. Go through the list carefully and compare each login to the devices you actually use. If everything looks familiar, then your account is in good shape. If you see a device or location you don't recognize, that could mean someone else has access to your account, or that an old session is still active on a device you no longer use. If you find anything suspicious, the next step is to sign that device out and then immediately change your password. It's also a smart idea to turn on two-factor authentication if you haven't already, because that adds another layer of protection to your X account. Checking your sessions regularly is one of the easiest ways to stay ahead of account security issues. So to quickly recap, go to More, open Settings and Privacy, go to Security and Account Access, select Apps and Sessions, and then tap Sessions to view your active logins. That's the full process for checking Twitter, now X, login devices. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.